my name is Gavin. This is going to be my sixth episode from Gavin Roll Along. Duck, duck, truck. Hope you enjoy. Here it comes. Thomas and friends making tracks to great destinations. Today in Duck, Duck, Truck, Thomas will join Duck, Stanley, Arthur, and Rusty as they quack along and play games. Now, hope you enjoyed this episode. Here comes the episode, but first, here's some interviews from Mr. Perkins. Oh, it's been a busy day. These cookies are hard making. Let's see. Oh, hello there. I've just been making cookies, you can see. It's kind of nice on that. Well, I'm going to finish baking my cookies. Whilst I do that, why don't you go check on them soda engines? Duck, duck, truck, whack, whack. It was summer on the island of Sodor. Ducks were everywhere on Sodor. All the engines liked this time of year, especially Thomas and Stanley. Even Arthur liked this time of year, and Rusty. And they all liked the time. Good morning, guys. How's everything going? It's going good, Thomas. I am thinking it's fun. Well, there's one. Well, all the other engines you can see, like Duck, Duck, Truck game, except for Duck. Duck, the Great Western engine, didn't like this at all. Let's play Duck, Duck, Truck. No, guys, it annoys me. It's very annoying, and it's really, really, really bad, and it hurts my feelings. But we want to play Duck, Duck, Truck. Don't we, guys? Yeah, we want to play Duck, Duck, Truck, too. Oh, I guess I'll play, too. Fine, park beside me. Let's see. Duck, duck, truck. Duck, duck, truck. Whoosh, duck, duck, truck. Duck, duck, duck. Truck! Woo! Run! Thomas was chosen as the truck. He rattled along the track happily. Woo! This is fun, said Thomas, and he came back to the corner where they were. I'm back. Let's do it again. They lined up again. Truck, 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 duck. Truck, 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 truck. Arthur was struck this time, and he clattered like a truck down the tracks. Just like Thomas. And came back to where they were. That was fun. Well, Duck, I hear you have a freight train to collect. You better go to the docks. Okay, Thomas. So Duck puffed away. 22 minutes later, Duck arrived at the docks to collect his train. It was long as well. The toad it was. Wow. Oh my, said Duck. It is long indeed. The trucks were mischievous.
Hey, it's Duck. That's another Great Western shorty, just like Oliver.
I beg your pardon, Duck, but he's been very rude lately. I don't mind. I'm pulling this train no matter what takes wrong with me. So Duck puffed on to collect the train. Finally, Duck coupled up to the train. Back up to the train. Then he was coupled up. And he pulled. And he pulled. I beg your pardon, but them trucks may be acting a little goofy today. Mine, said Duck tiredly, heaving the trucks. Stay back, said Scruffy.
We will.
Guys, I've got it. Quiet, Shorty, you can make it. I think they're about to cause some mischief. Oh my.
Then there was trouble. They flew forward,
Fast as could be. Then there was trouble. Duck headed towards the sea with this train. No, said Duck as he crashed into the sea. Go! No one was hurt, but Toad felt a little sorry. I beg your pardon, but them trucks have been pretty mean lately. Duck was sad. He had fell into the sea. Help would come soon, said Toad to him. Later, in the meanwhile, the four friends were still playing Duck, Duck, Truck. Then a call came. There's been an emergency. Arthur and Thomas, we need you at the docks fast. Yes, right away, sir. So they left. Stanley and Rusty stayed for the Duck, Duck, Truck game. 29 minutes later, they arrived at the docks. Oh no, they said. Are you okay? Yes. I'll get him up, said Thomas. And I'll take the freight train, said Arthur proudly. So it was all arranged while it happened. They coupled up and Arthur pulled the train away. And finally, Thomas got Duck back on the track. Whew. Sorry we played Duck, Duck, Truck, said Thomas. That's okay. The only thing that's gonna count is friendship. And they were all friends forever. Hello there, I'm still baking cookies, you can see. It's going fine. Well, I gotta fix these cookies up. Well, you guys better go because I still have some time left, but I'll see you really soon. Bye. Hey, there, 2, there, 4, there, 6, there, 8. Shunting trucks and hauling freight. Hey, red and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew. Down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends. Hey. Hope you enjoyed that episode. I'll see you next time on Stanley and Molly. Bye.